Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this impact bands, protect your tech, smartwatch protection band, lab tested impact protection for your smartwatch. Never break your watch while being active ever again. It hasn't happened to me, but prevention is better than having to pay for another watch. There it is. Okay. There's a bag. We have instructions. And we have this here. You can slip your hand through here. It's pretty tight. And then your watch face should be this way here. Not sure it'll fit my band, but I guess adjustable maybe. And then make sure your watch is here. And protect it. And I guess if you want to look at the time, you can open it up if you want. But yeah, that's it. There's the impact band. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.